So here's the thing. In communication, you're not getting the outcome that you're hoping for, or it's not as smooth, or you're not enjoying the process. One of the reasons why that happens is probably because you're focusing on the wrong side of the conversation. Most entrepreneurs, sales professionals, business people are having this kind of problem, and you may be one of them, is that they're too focused on themselves. Try focusing on the other person, their needs, their challenges, their problems, understanding them, looking at how you can best get to know them. If it's a social environment, look at how you can best help overcome their problem if it's a business transaction or if it's an educational interaction. Make sure that your way of communicating with them in such a way that they are able to understand. When you're focused on yourself, all the words that you use, all the languaging that you implement, all the thoughts and the positioning that you have is about your product, your solution, what is important for you. And that is immediately subconsciously picked up by the person you're talking to. And they'll have resistance because they realize that you're trying to sell them an idea, a concept, a product, a service. And this might surprise you. What if you figured out exactly what their problem is, whether you can help them and explain and display how that can improve their life, or quickly let them know that, hey, I can't help you. I'm not the right person for you. How would that change the interaction that you have with people? Wouldn't that be a fresh, easy, fun way to interact and communicate and sell and close, motivate people if you're running a business? A couple of challenges that are the reason why that happens is typically your focus. Focus on their problem that they're trying to solve, identify where they're at today, and build the bridge that helps them go from where they are and a situation where they want to move away from that they don't like, and allow them the possibility of a better situation. Now, if you can manage to do that, show them what is important, why it's important, what is the outcome that's possible. And if they need the help, put them in a position to ask you, help me how to do that. And that is a simple way to get people on board that you're looking to do.